I know we're going really fast here. Who's been using the energy drink? Yeah? Okay. So this is one that I travel with all the time. I love the fact that this comes in little stick packs that you can mix into bottles of water on your own. And I've been really trying hard to drink less out of plastic bottles. We're trying to drink more out of glass. And so what's great about this is I can bring my glass of water in the morning and I can mix this in. So this particular energy drink has a unique form of caffeine. And I think all the other energy drinks on there, the main trick that energy drinks have is they really focus on the caffeine. And the caffeine is just one part of it. You know, what's in this one is specifically designed for mitochondrial support. And you remember at the last talk I showed what a mitochondria looks like. And these are just amazing parts of our cells that create the energy. And so we have a lot of micronutrients. The blend in here is specifically designed to support mitochondria. The caffeine in there is just, in my part, is just kind of icing on the cake. But the way we've done this caffeine is it's paired with a resveratrol crystal. And resveratrol is the thing that's in red wine that makes red wine so healthy. Red wine has these phytonutrients in there that actually are very, very high amounts of antioxidants. So when we pair the caffeine with this, it forms a crystalline structure that slows down the release of caffeine. So with this particular energy drink, when you drink it, you're not going to feel that rapid peak that you do with a cup of coffee. And likewise, you're not going to have that rapid drop-off that you normally do with most energy products. So this one, I mean, quite honestly, I can say, after looking at all the energy drinks on the market, the companies that make the one that starts with an S and ends with a K, has the AR in the middle, that energy drink can't hold a candle to this one. This is a phenomenal energy drink. Has the methylated B vitamins, highly bioavailable ingredients. So phenomenal. If you haven't tried this, this really is a great one to add to your day.